Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 789. Title of today's lesson is the difference between instantly and instantaneously. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's go right to it. Now, instantly means immediately or at once. It emphasizes an immediate reaction, but not necessarily completed in just a moment. All right, now instantaneously means happening and usually completed within a moment. The amount of time is nearly imperceptible, means it's so short that you can't almost measure it. Often used in more technical or scientific contexts. Now, there is a little bit of crossover here because in most cases where you use instantaneously, you might still be able to use instantly, but not the other way around. All right. Here's some examples for instantly. The soldiers instantly responded to the captain's order. Now, in this particular case, you'll probably stick with instantly because even though they respond right away, they can't do the order in an instant. It's probably going to take them some time to do it. So instantly would be better. I instantly started to leave as soon as I was called for the emergency. So again, you instantly started to leave, but you really can't get there or get to your location in just a moment. It's still going to take time, even though you reacted to it, you responded to it right away, but you can't complete it right away. All right, the third one. As soon as my mom put that piece of cake in front of me, I instantly began eating it. So again, you reacted to it, you started eating it right away, but you probably can't eat the whole cake in an instant, even though you might be able to do it pretty fast, but not an instant, not a moment. Probably need at least a minute or so. Number two, if you mix these two chemicals together, it will instantaneously cause an explosion. Now, this is a good example for instantaneously. One, it's scientific because you're mixing chemicals. Two, we're talking about it could explode immediately like that. You can't measure the amount of time that it takes. As soon as those two chemicals come together, boom, right away. So that would be a good example of instantaneously. Number two, in superhero movies, if a hero or villain has the power to teleport, he can instantaneously appear in another location at will. So he can just, from the snap of a finger, he could be here to there to another country, wherever he's going. So that's a good example for instantaneously. This is one where you probably could substitute instantly here as well, but instantaneously kind of emphasizes it more in this situation. Number three, that witch used her wand to instantaneously change him into a pig. So the same thing. So it's more like magic than science, but kind of a little of a mixture of both. But again, it happens immediately. You can't almost measure the time between her using that wand and him changing into a pig. It just happens instantaneously. Another one that could possibly be substituted with instantly, but instantaneously will emphasize it more in this situation. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. And now you got a better feel of when you might use one and when you might use the other. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.